Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make money online from India. So let's get started. So India has the thousand number of people unemployed and that can make money online. So the best way to make money online without any investment and without any capital is through freelancing. Okay. So here we can go to the freelancer. Fiverr. So Fiverr is a marketplace where we can sell anything to the business owner and potential buyers. So what to sell? So you can sell here the services like social media management, then you can sell the designing on Canva, video editing, thumbnail editing and many other things. Okay. And if you see here, it's many things you can sell. Okay. So Fiverr is a very good platform to sell your services to the business owner. So it is easy to register, easy to use. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.